知道。 I want to thank you very much for that beautiful performance. And I want to take this opportunity to thank all of the Tibetan staff of West Neighborhood House. You're such an important part of our organization, and more importantly, for our community, where we have one of the largest Tibetan populations outside of Tibet and India in the world. So your culture is beautiful, you're very generous to share with us the wonderful food and the wonderful traditions and just the colors and the beauty of it all. So thank you so much for your performance, but to all of you. We have put together today and really want to honor Tenzin, who took a lead on this. So thank you very much. I know this is a very special year for people who are followers of the Dalai Lama, and I wish him a very happy 90th birthday, and know that he's very important to many people who are not even Buddhist. He's a very important figure for peace in the world and common sense. So I appreciate the opportunity to acknowledge him as well. So thank you for that. Thanks so much.